Okay, now using the distort tool. I very rarely use the distort tool, but anyway, I'm just gonna show you what it does, and maybe in the future you would need this tool in your projects. Okay, so basically these ones are the effect of the distort tool, and believe it or not, this one here, it originally was a rectangle. Anyway, I'm just going to demonstrate here. So if I click on the rectangular tool and create a rectangle like that, and I'll make it blue. Okay, I'll remove the outline. Okay, now the distort tool is in this icon here, interactive distort tool. It's together with the blend, contour, drop shadow icons. So click on the distort tool, and then when you click on the distort tool, you're gonna have presets and some of the properties in here in the property bar. So in the presets, if you mouse over in the presets, you could see a preview of what's gonna be the result. Okay, so you can just experiment on that one. Let's say push pull number 5. Okay, this normally shows up, but just ignore that and that would be fine. Okay, so that's that's one of the preset. There's one interesting here is the twister here. So if I click on twister 1, okay, this is the result of the distortion, and you can probably use this in some of the backgrounds. And so anyway, that's one of the distortion preset. Let's say I'm gonna make a star. Click on star, and that's the star. I'm gonna color the star. Right? Remove the outline. Now let's try to distort it without using the preset. So I click on the distort tool. Okay, I won't use the preset, but in here, see there are nodes. I just click on one node and click and drag. Then suddenly I can create some very nice shapes. Okay. So that's a shape, and let's do some distortion on text. Okay, like the sample here. Okay, let's make. I'll just put my name here, and let's distort this one here. So, okay, I'm going to choose a different font. Let's say this kind of font here. I'll make it, say, blue. Okay, now let's start distorting this. I go to my distort icon here. So I click and drag anywhere, maybe there. So it's more of playing around with the distort tool and see what effect you can get, and maybe you might need it in the future. So text distort tool can also be applied on text and also objects. Actually, this is a nice design here.